Thanks for choosing Cat. Cat is a tool to chain your activities and play it. Let's understand the major functions of Cat app with a quick tutorial. Cat has multiple features to streamline your activities with chains. This is the app's header with a logo and couple of buttons to the right. Press here to create a new chain of activities. And press this one to create a new chain by uploading a file. This section lists all the chains present in your app. Cat app comes with few sample chains as listed here. We can have a situation where chain was created but it is not present or listed here. Try refreshing the page by tapping over the app logo here. This section is just kept for your help to understand the set of actions that you can perform on a chain. Bottom bar of the app has a drawer at the left and a search text box at the right. Pressing the app drawer will open a side menu bar with all options like what is Cat, which will run this tutorial again, app settings where you can switch to dark theme, etc. You can also search the chains by tapping here, with the content like chain title or title of activities in it. We have also provided a couple of buttons to quickly filter the chains. Now let's take this sample workout chain as an example to understand a chain and its features. This is how a chain looks when you open it by tapping any chain on the home screen. This section has series of buttons to take actions on this chain. This bottom bar contains the title of the chain at the center, a button to go back to home screen at the left and a button to edit this chain at the right. Now let's press this edit button and check how add or edit chain screen looks. This screen helps you to edit the chain. This screen also loads up when we choose to create the chain from home screen. Here we have the title of chain which we can edit. Here we insert the name of activity to be added to the chain. Before submitting the activity, we can add duration to it, or an image to the activity. Just press this back button when you are done with chain editing. It will automatically save the changes and exit from the screen. Now we will see that how a chain can be played. We can play by pressing this button. This button is available on the chain tile at home screen too. Chain plays interactively activity by activity. Go back to pause the activity and explore chain execution status screen. We can pause the chain activity and resume it back with this button and hence the chain. Timer keeps ticking for the activity with timer duration here. If the activity does not have timer, then we get an option to press done and complete the activity. This button helps you to force complete the current activity and move to the next activity. Press the back button to pause the chain, if running, and go to the screen where we can see the chain execution status and take actions on the chain. This screen shows the execution status of the chain. This section displays the relevant buttons to take action for running the chain. Button to resume the chain in background shall be displayed if the current activity is timer activity and it is paused. Button to refresh the page shall be displayed if the chain is running in background. And a button to go to the interactive view to play the chain shall be displayed if neither the chain is running in background nor it can be run. We can use this option to stop the chain execution. Press the forward button to go back to chain activity execution screen, where we can resume the chain activity interactively. If the chain is running in background, and refresh button is also visible on the page. Then you will get the option to force complete the activity running in background and enter the interactive view of chain. This quick tutorial has covered the major features of the app. Now explore yourself and reach out to us for any help. We hope that you will make the most out of this app. Let's press the back button to end this tutorial and go back to the home screen.